What's up and good morning everyone. Welcome to Ride with Thumper. Today we are going to be showing you how to clean the chain. We've got this beautiful 2007 Yamaha R1 here today. We're going to be showing you step by step how to clean the chain using these products right here. First up, you've got your chain cleaner, chain cleaning brush, chain lube, and then whatever cleaner you like to use for body parts for cleaning up any overspray. Can't forget a microfiber towel. Alright, now we're down here and we're ready to start getting cleaned up with this chain. This chain's filthy. It's been sitting a little while. Needs adjusted, but that's for a different video. Right now, we are just going to start with cleaning. So, first thing we're going to do is grab our chain cleaner. Give it a nice little shake. Spray it liberally on the inside edge of the chain. Then you're going to take your chain brush, and while rotating the tire, scrub one side at a time of the chain. Special chain brush makes it a lot easier to do. It's going to make this a quicker, easier job. See, then you can flip it over, get the bottom. Get the outside. And if you can, get in there and get the inside. Once you're done with that, you're going to grab your microfiber towel and clean up the residue. Make sure you fold it over periodically, get a clean edge. And once that's clean, I like to take a little bit and get the sprocket, agitate with the brush. And wipe clean again. Wipe off any excess overspray. Alright, now it's time for our lube. I've got the lube right here. You'll notice it comes with a straw. That's so you can apply it where you actually want it instead of just getting it everywhere. You want to apply it to the inside edge of this chain, because that way, as the tires spin and the chain spins, it's going to work the lube out towards the outside. If you put it on the outside, it's just going to sling right off. Just apply a liberal amount again, wipe up any excess. This is where I like to take some of the body cleaner and clean the areas around the chain that get gunked up. Alright, and those are the steps to cleaning your chain. It takes about 5 minutes. Super easy. Anyone can do it. Do your own maintenance.